it last week? Did you sing it last week? Awesome. All right. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's see how much you remember. Are you ready? What's the first motion that we do? Do you remember? When we sing, yeah, we do our sneeze first. And then when we sing deep in the sea, what do we do? Do you remember? We do this, because that's deep in the sea, and then big whale sneeze. And then who sneezes first? Papa whale is sneezing. Then the baby whale sneezes. And then we make waves like this, right? Let me hear your sneeze. Ready? I'm going to count to 3. I'm going to hear your sneeze. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's great. That's great. Let's do it. Get ready. One more. Here we go. Ready? Good.
Deep in the sea, big whales sneeze.
Papa first.
Papa whale is sneezing.
Ready?
Achoo! Little baby whale is sneezing, just like Papa. Achoo! Choo goes the papa, he makes big waves. Choo goes the baby, he makes small waves. Both whales are sending waves through the deep blue sea. Deep in the sea, big whales sneeze.
Now it's Mama's turn.
Mama whale is sneezing.
Get ready.
Achoo! Little baby whale is sneezing, just like Mama. Achoo! Choo goes the mama, she makes big waves. Choo goes the baby, he makes small waves. Both whales are sending waves through the deep blue sea.
Ready? Nice and loud. Get your waves ready.
All the waves, big and little, splashing on the shore. Do you think that whales are sneezing? Maybe, I'm not sure. Maybe the whales are sneezing just like me and you, making waves and making sneezes. Ha ha! Achoo!
Oh, I love it. So if we do it like that on Saturday or Sunday, Miss Suzanne will have a big what on her face? A big smile on her face. Okay, so keep practicing that this week, okay?